Welcome to this explainer. Okay, so did you know the inside of your car parked in the summer sun can actually get hot enough to bake a batch of cookies? Crazy, right? But it's true. Today we're diving into a topic that honestly affects almost all of us, yet we barely give it a second thought. We're talking about how advanced window film technology totally solves the hidden dangers of our daily commutes. We're going to unpack the science, the materials, and the sheer meticulous craftsmanship behind professional auto tinting. Let's get into it. To keep things moving, here is our game plan. We're going to breeze through 5 main points today. The hidden cost of sunshine, beyond just dark glass, choosing the right autofilm, the professional installation process, and lastly, protecting your investment. Starting with Section 1, the hidden cost of sunshine. Let's take a look at the unseen damage happening inside your car, literally every single day. Think about leaving a perfectly cool, air-conditioned office, you pull the handle on your car door, and bam, you are hit with that suffocating wave of heat. It's like opening an oven. For drivers in high sunlight areas, think Englewood, California, stuck on the 405, or driving around McKinney, Texas, that relentless sun is just a constant, unavoidable threat. It's not just about feeling a bit sweaty, it's a persistent assault on your physical comfort and your car's interior. We spend so much of our lives in our cars, but we just kind of accept this intense heat without realizing the actual toll it's taking. So what's actually happening while you're parked or stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic? Well, untreated auto glass just lets dangerous ultraviolet rays blast right into your cabin environment. And over time, this daily exposure is brutal. We're talking severe fading and actual physical cracking happening to luxury interiors. Your leather seats, the dashboard plastics, the upholstery, it just gets baked. It's a super common sight, but the crazy part is it's entirely preventable. Moving right along to Section 2, beyond just dark glass. Let's look at why professional window tinting is a total practical necessity, not just some cool cosmetic upgrade. There are real immediate upgrades to your daily drive here. Slapping on a high-quality film does way more than just make your windows look dark. First off, it actually rejects solar energy before it can even enter the vehicle, which drastically drops that interior temp. That means your AC doesn't have to work nearly as hard, which, believe it or not, can even boost your overall fuel efficiency. Plus, it cuts down on that harsh, blinding glare from the sun or from oncoming headlights at night. And here's a crucial one: safety. The adhesive layer is designed to hold shattered glass together in an accident, stopping dangerous shards from flying all over the cabin. Now, to put things into perspective, look at this massive figure. 99.9%. Premium ceramic technologies can block up to 99.9% of harmful UV rays. So yeah, it protects your dashboard from fading, and it does that really well. But more importantly, it's protecting your skin during those long commutes. It is literally an active shield for both you and whoever's riding with you. All right, Section 3, choosing the right auto film. Let's break down the specialized materials engineered specifically for your ride.
First, we gotta bust a huge myth right now. A lot of people assume all window films are exactly the same. No way. Absolutely not. You can't just take the dark, heat-blocking film you'd use on a house window and slap it on a car. Automotive film is built for a completely different world. It has to perfectly hug complex, curved glass, and it has to survive constant road vibration. Residential glass, it's flat, and it doesn't move. Knowing the mechanical and chemical differences here is absolutely vital before you spend your money.
What's really cool is how this tech scales to fit exactly how you drive. Good installers will offer distinct grades of film. Starting out with the Pro Classic, you're getting a really solid baseline, a perfect balance of durability with outstanding clarity. Step it up to the C2 nanocarbon film, and you're getting superior heat rejection and added privacy. But if you want the absolute best, you go for something like the Apex Super Ceramic Shield. This stuff uses advanced nanoceramic particles to selectively block the absolute hottest, most harmful parts of the solar spectrum. It gives you maximum infrared heat rejection while keeping your cabin incredibly cool. Oh, and here's a massive, unseen benefit of modern ceramic and dyed films. Because they are completely non-metallic, they guarantee zero interference with your car's electronics. You stay 100% connected. Your GPS won't randomly drop out on the freeway, your cell phone keeps its signal, and your toll passes will scan perfectly every single time. It's a real game changer.
Section 4, the professional installation process. Let's pull back the curtain and see exactly what goes into an expert, meticulous installation. Okay, we've all seen that one car driving around with bubbling, peeling, or completely purple, discolored windows, right? Well, that is the direct result of cheap materials, rush techniques, or even worse, just applying new film right over the old, degrading stuff.
Getting a flawless finish requires a pristine, meticulously clean environment. Dust and airborne debris, they are the absolute enemies of window film. Professional shops maintain these incredibly clean spaces to ensure zero microscopic particles ever get trapped between your glass and the adhesive layer. The actual craftsmanship boils down to 4 highly methodical steps. First, an intensive cleaning. Techs use specialized solutions and scrapers to strip away every ounce of grease, dirt, and factory sticker residue. Second, the film is custom cut to the exact dimensions of your specific car. Step 3 is where the magic happens. Installers use a heat gun to carefully shrink the film so it molds perfectly to the compound curves of the glass. And lastly, they spray a specialized slip solution inside the window and use a squeegee to push out all the moisture. The result? A perfectly smooth, crystal clear finish.
Which brings us to our final point, Section 5, protecting your investment. Let's talk about what happens after you drive off the lot, so this high-end shields lasts for decades.
Right after installation, you enter what's called the curing period. This is a critical 3 to 5 day window where you absolutely must wait to roll down your windows. You might actually notice a little bit of haziness or even tiny water pockets right after you pick it up. Do not panic. Seriously, it is totally normal. It's just the natural curing process at work. As the adhesive fully bonds with the glass out in the sun, that moisture just naturally evaporates, leaving behind a flawless look.
Now, the biggest takeaway for maintaining your new film is super simple, but absolutely crucial. Always, always use a soft microfiber cloth and an ammonia-free glass cleaner. Ammonia is the enemy here. It will chemically break down the film over time, leading to premature fading and failure. So just stick to safe, ammonia-free cleaners, and your tint is going to perform perfectly for years.
There's a great thought from the experts at Tint Integrity that really hits the nail on the head. They say making the decision to upgrade your vehicle is an investment in comfort, daily safety, and long-term resale value. And that perfectly captures the whole point of this explainer. Having professionals upgrade your glass isn't just another expense. You're maximizing your daily drive, you're making it safer, and you're actively protecting that luxury interior, which directly maintains the resale value of your car. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought. Think about the very next time you open your car door and feel that intense, suffocating wave of heat hit your face. Knowing the science, the advanced materials, and all the incredible protective benefits we just talked about, isn't it time to finally upgrade your glass? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.